Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make those tough purchasing decisions a little bit easier. Today, we have a face-off between two mighty mini drones. On the left, we have the RADCLO Mini Drone, and on the right, the Techwonderz drone with camera. Will RADCLO soar to victory, or will Techwonderz leave it in the dust? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The RADCLO Mini Drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $62. Meanwhile, the Techwonderz drone with camera will set you back a whopping $129. That's right, folks, you could buy two RADCLOs and still have change for a coffee. So if you're on a budget, RADCLO is your new best friend. If you're feeling flush, well, Techwonderz might be your jam. Now, let's zoom in on the camera quality. RADCLO offers a 1080p HD camera with a manually adjustable 90 degrees lens. Perfect for those panoramic shots of your neighbor's backyard. On the flip side, Techwonderz one-ups RADCLO with not one, but two 1080p HD cameras, and the front one can rotate 90 degrees. Plus, it has a 50x zoom. That's right, 50x. You could probably count the freckles on your dog from space. Next, let's talk battery life. RADCLO offers a respectable 22 minutes of flight time with its two 800 mAh batteries. But Techwonderz is here to flex with a jaw-dropping 50 minutes. It's like the marathon runner of drones. If you need to fly longer than your relationship lasted, Techwonderz is the way to go. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're like me and have a knack for crashing drones into trees. RADCLO makes it super simple with one-key takeoff, lash landing, and altitude hold. Even your grandma could fly this thing. On the other hand, Techwonderz is also user-friendly, but adds some extra flair with gesture control and waypoint functions. Draw a flight path on the app, and this bad boy will follow it like a GPS-obsessed pigeon. Special features: RADCLO comes packed with high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3D flip, and more. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. But Techwonderz isn't backing down. It has 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, follow me mode, and it can perform 360 degrees flips and rolls. It's like a drone and a parkour artist had a baby. Lastly, let's talk customer support. RADCLO offers 24-hour technical support, a quality warranty, and a money-back service. Techwonderz, on the other hand, doesn't shout much about their support, but hey, with a drone this expensive, we hope they're picking up the phone. Based on Amazon reviews, both drones have their strengths and weaknesses. RADCLO Mini Drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and durability, although some users have noted issues with wind resistance and battery charging. Techwonderz drone with camera is commended for its superior camera quality, long flight time, and ease of use. But its high price is a point of concern for some reviewers. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-use drone with decent features, RADCLO is your go-to. But if you're willing to splurge for longer flight times, better camera options, and a few extra bells and whistles, Techwonderz might just be worth the investment. Remember, no matter which drone you choose, fly smart and have fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description below. Until next time, happy flying!